This is a payment proof over here. I earned this payment within 5 minutes by drawing. Money is very important part and parcel of our life, believe it or not. If you want to earn money from any corner of this or you watch this video step by step, how will you get paid $650 per day for drawing? Super easy. Make money online. This website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel and did not subscribe the channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from this YouTube channel. So if you are interested and you wanna make money online just like this, and keep watching. If you appreciate my videos, smash the like button and share more and more. So I cordially request to subscribe this first channel. This is called Learning and Earning Tube. If you are a newbie and you don't subscribe the channel, you also subscribe the channel and click the bell button to get all types of latest informative earning related videos from this channel. So let's get started. In this video, we'll get paid $650 per day for drawing Make Money Online, and I would like to share 2 steps in of this video step by step. The steps to getting paid $650 per day for doing, but there is a disclaimer. Results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk and follow the exact steps, or else results will not be possible. So step number 1, unveiling the number 1 tool you will be needing to get paid immediately, and step number 2, revealing 3 websites that will be paying you top dollar. So let's get started. This is first website. This is called remove.bz. So this is free and pretty cool and super simple to remove any types of background of any types of critical image. So after coming here, you have to create an account on this website, and just you have to start your journey to remove any types of background. So if you click on this upload images from your computer, you will be removed any picture easily within a few moments. So how will you do it? Now I would like to share another one. If you do how to remove background of any picture by using this Photoshop, you have to spend more time. Just watch this one at a glance. If I select this one tool, this is called the quick selection tool. This is very pretty cool, easy tool to use for removing any types of background of the picture. So you have to select this one, and you have to select also this one, and you have to spend few times to select the picture altogether smoothly. If you just click this Control X, it will be removed like this. It has spent few times, but if you do the same work on this website, you will be do it, or you will complete this at a glance. So just click on this upload image, and you have to select this one from your computer easily. So I have selected this picture from my computer, and it has been removed easily within a few moments of time, I think. So this is pretty easy, I think. So this is the easiest, and you can remove any types of critical background by using this remove.bz, I think. So you can select this website easily. So if you do it edit, or you want to edit this one, just you have to click this button here, and you can get this option from here. On the other hand, you have to select this one, erase or restore from here, and also you can select any picture like this, or you can select any other pictures from here at a glance. So if I want to erase this one, any portion of this video, just you have to select this one by pressing the left button of your mouse pointer. And if your client shows or say that you have to select this select the portion of this head of that selected picture easily, and you can increase the brush size altogether, and you can remove at a glance for completing the smoothness of this picture altogether here. So if you click on this here and restore this picture, so just click on this download of this picture, and you have to do like this one altogether. And so I strongly recommend you to use this remove.bg for removing any types of critical background of that selected image or photo easily. So on the other hand, you can also use this free tool. This is called photoscissors.com. also just select on this upload image, and you can remove any types of critical images like this from here. So I also recommend you to use this two website. Number one, remove.bg, or on the other hand, you can also use this photoscissors.com to remove any types of background of that selected picture. This is very easy rather than Photoshop CC or any version of this Photoshop. You can do any work to remove any background of that picture. Now I'd like to share how you will get that background removal works. Now I'd like to share step by step, lowest paying and highest paying all together that website. You can do it or you can choose that websites easily from any corner of this world. Now I'd like to share number one is called peoplepower.com. If you just click on this here photo background remove, you will get lots of words on this selected area. I think this one is photo background removal and $100 fixed price, and this was this job has been posted before 3 hours. I mean, this is a remote job. Also, you are watching this one. I need to remove your photos of background, just $15. There are lots of work you are watching, or as you can see here, you can select this one. I think peoplepower.com from here. So first of all, you have to create an account on this website by providing all types of information to work as a freelancer on this peoplepower.com. Now I like to share another one. Number two is called the freelancer.com. This one is another professional marketplace to do your work for earning more and more on this platform. So just create an account by providing all types of information on this trusted platform. So if I search on the search box here background remove, and then I will get lots of work to remove any types of picture. This one remove background image at $10 to $30 on this, and open 3 days ago 91 beers have been on this job. So you can bid for this post to start your earning on this website, and this one is also $34 to $282, and remove a photo background in Photoshop and place all photos of the same size, 600 photos for editing. So you will get paid $34 to $282. That's it. Very easy, I think. Boom. And you can do it this or you can earn more and more from this website easily. And just if you click on this second page, third page, fourth page, you will get lots of remove photo background words on this selected platform, I think. Now I like to share another website. This is called Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a professional freelancing marketplace. There are lots of categories are also on this platform, and there are lots of freelancers or clients are involved directly on this Fiverr.com. So you can start your journey for earning more and more from any corner of this world. I would like to share this Fiverr.com. After coming here, you have to create an account by providing all types of informations on this website. So if I search on this background remove, I will get lots of gigs on this website. This is called gig, this is called gig, this is called gig. All the gigs are available on this first interface. So how will you create this account on this Fiverr.com? Just follow this video tutorial and just click on this playlist on my learning and earning tube. You will get this Fiverr related 8 tutorials on my YouTube channel. I think if you watch this step by step, you can create a fantastic Fiverr account on this platform easily. And you have to create this iCassie, I think, fantastic gig to publish for giving your service more and more on this platform. So this guy has got 5 star from this only 1 gig, and he has sold this she has sold this gig, I mean service, 154 times, and this one is also 815 times. So this one is 1000 plus and this one is 188 plus. If I open this service gigs, you will get these amazing features, and you have to create this like this gig to publish or to to start your journey on Fiverr.com. His basic price is $5 and standard package is $20 and premium package is $35, and his service criteria is also as you can see here. So you have to create an account on this Fiverr.com, and at a glance you have to beautify your gig all together step by step. Finally, I cordially request to watch my previous videos. How will you create a iCassie gig for your Fiverr.com account, so you can work more and more, 2000, 3000, 5000. You can also earn more and more by giving your service on this Fiverr.com easily. So I finally cordially request to watch this video again and again. Just without any types of previous experiences or knowledge, you can remove any types of background of that picture or image easily from home for earning or for starting earning from home easily. Thanks for watching my videos till the end. I cordially request to subscribe if you didn't subscribe this channel, and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from this YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please share more and more with your friends. And I also cordially request to subscribe my first channel. This is called Learning and Earning Tube. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I cordially request to watch my next video. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.